How to file taxes on TurboTax for yourself and dependent care. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to gather all the required documents. Now you want to open TurboTax and log into your account. Now enter your personal information. Here you want to include the information of your dependents. So go ahead and enter the dependents details. After that is done, next step is to enter your income information. For that, select wages and income, then input all of your information including W-2, 1099, NEC or self-employment income. Now you want to claim dependent care expenses. For that, go to deductions and credits section, then select dependent care credit. Now you want to enter the care provider's information. Also enter total amount paid for child care services. TurboTax automatically checks if you qualify for Child and Dependent Care Credit, Child Tax Credit, or Earned Income Tax Credit. Now, you want to review all the details you have entered, then choose e-file for faster processing, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.